What's up folks, my name is Felix. Welcome back to this update today on Wolf Capital. My last update video is now already 7 days old, and in this video I want to talk about the current statistics and also what's going on in the background, what they said in their recent AMA this Wednesday, all about the NFTs and some more stuff. And without further ado, we want to get right into it. And as you can already see, we just crossed the 4 million in total investments. We are now already close to 4.5 million in total invested funds into the Wolf Capital project. And if we jump over to the DApp, as we can see, I'm still at my 4 stakes. I'm withdrawing all my funds, which I'm currently earning in this project, which is around 100 USDC a week, so around 400 USDC a month. And there will be some updates to this dashboard in the beginning of next week. Aurea said it will be around Monday, Tuesday, but it might be a little bit later. As we all know, in DeFi, all takes a little more time than expected. So yeah, let's expect these updates for next week. And I'm excited to see which new stuff they are bringing on. The next thing I wanted to talk about is their recent information with their alpha NFTs. In the last AMA, they said there will be around 500 NFTs. I'm not 100% sure if this is the final number, and they want to collect around $250,000 with these 500 NFTs. There will be 3 tiers of these NFTs, and more details will come out very soon. And these NFTs will have different use cases. One of them will be to copy trade TREF on BitGet. BitGet, for example, just did an announcement that they partnered up with Wolf Capital, as we can see here. And as I already showed you, they have a large following. So this is quite a big announcement that a big central exchange is partnering up with an high ROI DeFi protocol, and hopefully will bring some eyes and new capital to the project. The second thing which they announced, these NFTs will generate you also some passive income through their revenue streams. So as an NFT holder, you will get a share of all their revenue streams, and there will be some more incentives in the future. I believe it will be some VIP spots in their upcoming pre-sales or whatever they are planning to do. So we can probably see it as a big advantage for the upcoming stuff, the upcoming products, and everything they have planned for the Wolf Capital ecosystem. Now we want to take a look at the current statistics of Wolf Capital. I made the screenshot in my last video where we were 79 days since launch. Now we are 86 days since launch. And we saw a wallet growth of over 150 new wallets, new investors, which came into Wolf Capital. This basically means 700,000 USDC in new deposits, but in this number there are also reinvestments included. We can see that not that much people are withdrawing right now, because the total withdrawal number climbed up from 64,000 just to 81,000. So there was just 17,000 USDC really withdrawn from the system. And the average ROI just rose by 3%. The next graphic shows that we have inflows of around 70 to 80k every single day. We had some bigger days right here. So the 11th of May and also the 12th of May were very big days if we just focus on deposits. And we can also see this gray bar right here. These are the bars which show the transfers over to the trading bot balance. This is basically the revenue stream for the project, which generates us these up to 1.5% daily. The next thing I wanted to show you is that our daily net amount is still in the green every single day since they migrated over to the new contract. What else can I show you is that the top wallets are still below the average ROI, as we can see here. At least the 10 or first 15 wallets, there are just 2 here, wallet number 2 and also wallet number 11, which are above the average ROI of 37%, which I showed you before. So the top wallets are also doing their reinvestments and not withdrawing that much from the project. That's the current state of the project. This will of course change in the future as people might take more and more profits, and from this point on they will also need to send some capital from the trading bot portfolio, which is doing very, very good. The next report will be out on Monday over to the contract balance and feedback to give all the investors the opportunity to withdraw their profits from the project. The last thing I wanted to show you are their current marketing funds, because they collected since the start of the project, which is now around 86 to 87 days ago. So they generated roughly 170k, partially from this 10% deposit fees. And I think a lot of them is still in the pot and will be used for future AMAs in the upcoming days and weeks, and also for these alpha rounds, which happen from time to time if you deposit 2000 US dollars or more and get an instant 3% cashback, and all the other stuff which they are doing in the background. So marketing budget wise, at least from my perspective, the project is also looking very healthy and has a lot of funds to deploy in the future for various marketing activities. And that should already do it for this update video. If you're interested in Wolf Capital, first link in the description will lead you in our #1 team, the DeFi Snipers Wolfpack, where you get 1.5% daily on a 60 days lock of your initial investment. If you want to check it out, as I said, link will be down in the description. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section, or you can also shoot me a DM on Twitter or Telegram. And if you liked today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.